Morning class 10. Welcome to computer class. I'm your teacher Nitish Kumar. In our previous video, we learned about our first chapter, but it's not the complete of one chapter, so we make one more video known as part 2. In this video, we learn about the things which we are not ready in that topic or that video. So we start with the topology. I know we are already read about this one, but we read about only the star topology, bus topology, star topology, and ring topology. In this video, we are one more time cover the ring topology and the mesh topology. The ring topology. The ring topology connected to the node on a network through a point-to-point connection. That means every point is connected with one point. Means any point is not left or any point is not a open node. Okay. हर point किसी ना किसी से connected है और कोई भी point open नहीं है. The data is accepted from one neighborhood to the another. एक पड़ोसी से दूसरे पड़ोसी के पास डेटा जाएगा. For example, if I want to send the data from this PC to this PC, first when we send the data should pass through this printer to this one. Okay, data is not going to directly to this one. Data go from this printer then to this one. Okay, so what is the benefits? It's very easy, and there's no node is here. And what is the demerits? If one system is going to be shut down, एक भी कंप्यूटर खराब हुआ, पूरा नेटवर्क शट डाउन हो जाएगा. It's more faster than the ring star topology and the bus topology, but it's costly than the both of them. Okay, thank you. Mesh topology. Each node of the more than one node, each node is connected to the more than one node. In that place, when every computer is connected to the each one, as you see in this figure, every computer is connected with the another one. That means no node is empty and everyone is connected with the everyone. That means the data is going faster to the anyone. If I want to send the data to this one, then I directly send the data to this one. I don't need the data from this. So it's very faster because of the data fast travel. So it's very fast to send the data. One more thing, it's very complicated and very complex software must be used. It's very costly, and if any system is going to down, it's not going to affect to the whole network. अगर एक कंप्यूटर भी खराब होता है तो बाकी नेटवर्क पे इस पर इफेक्ट नहीं जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि सब एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है. ये अपने आप इसको बाईपास कर देगा. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. The next topic is the Google Talk. Actually, we are wants to read the online chatting. Okay, so in your chapter is going to given to be the Google Talk. So what is a Google Talk first? Nowadays no one using the Google Talk, but it's just like the Facebook, it's just like the WhatsApp. When we talk with our friend, a real time data transaction, a real time we transfer the all the things. For example, I want to send my video, my voice, my message like a WhatsApp. It's very similar to the WhatsApp. There is no difference between the WhatsApp and this one, I think. Then the blogs. We use the blogs for Twitter. We use our blogs in Twitter. Twitter is a website name, and blog means the online diary. The blogs means the online diary. When a person write online diary, so why we write the online diary? For showing our social life to everyone. अगर मैं अपना सोशल लाइफ सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ तो मैं ऑनलाइन डायरी लिखूंगा. ओके, सो इस तरह के वर्क के लिए हम लोग ट्विटर का यूज करेंगे. ओके, हु इज द ब्लॉगर who write the online diary, and what is the blog? The online diary where I share my social life with everyone. Okay, live chatting. Live chatting is like a WhatsApp. As you see in this place, we are sharing our so many data with real time data with our friends and family. For example, I want to send some picture to anyone. Okay, so this is the way how we share the data with our friends and family. This is known as the chatting. Okay, now online transactions or online reservation. We are using so many things for the online work. For example, online shopping. We are using Flipkart. Flipkart is a place where which we use for the online shopping. Online shopping means e-commerce where we uh, B2B, business to business, or C2B. This is known as the C2B. Actually B2C, business to customer. Flipkart selling the product to the customers directly, from businessman to the customer directly. It's B2C connection. And what is C2C? Customer to customer. Customer to customer means OLX. We are using the OLX for customer to customer. What is the online reservation? How can we do the online reservation? Means booking our ticket online. For example, I want to book my tickets for a movie. Then I using the IMDb for booking any type of ticket. Or this is known as the e-reservation system. Now I am going to show you how can we reserve a ticket for us. I am using the railway reservation system, RRS or IRCTC. This is the way to book our ticket for the next generation or for the future. It take too much time for starting because it's a government website. Okay, this is the way to for the online reservation, or this is the thing we are knowing as the e-reservation. Okay, it's not open, so we see at here. I think the server is down for the railway, I think, because of the lockdown, so it's not open. So we see this thing in our next video, and your chapter 1 is completed in this chapter. If you want to any detail, then give me a message in my WhatsApp. Thank you students for this video.